Hello students, your topic for today is chapter 4 of Rajasthan Rent Control Act 2001. This chapter contains clause section 11 and section 12, that is the restoration of possession of illegally evicted tenant and procedure thereof. Section 11 deals with the restoration of possession of illegally deposited tenant. So if any tenant is dispossessed by landlord from the rented premises without his consent and otherwise, then by due process of law, he may within 30 days from the date of knowledge of such dispossession file a petition before the rent tribunal for restoration of possession thereof. That section 12 is the procedure for recovery of possession. So the tenant or any person who is claiming recovery of possession under section 11 of this act will file a petition before the rent tribunal, and such petition will be accompanied by affidavits and documents if there is any, upon which the tenant or the person who is entitled to recover possession wants to rely. Second, the rent tribunal, upon filing of petition under subsection 1, shall issue notice accompanied by copies of petition, affidavits, and documents fixing a date that should not be later than 21 days from the date of service of notice, requiring the landlord to submit reply accompanied by affidavits and documents, if any, on which the landlord relies. The service of notice shall be effected through process server of the tribunal or civil court, as well as by registered post. Acknowledgement due. Notice duly served by any of these modes shall be treated as sufficient services. Then third subsection of section 12 is this, that the landlord may submit his reply, affidavits, and documents after serving copies of the same on the petitioner within a period that is not exceeding 10 days and from the date of service of notice. The petitioner may file rejoinder, if any, after serving copy of the same on the landlord within a period of 7 days and from the date of service of reply. The rent tribunal shall thereafter fix a date of hearing which shall not be later than 50 days from the date fixed for filing or rejoinder. The petition shall be dispossessed of within a period of 90 days and from the date of service of notice on landlords. The rent tribunal, after holding such summary inquiry as it deems necessary to determine whether petitioner has been illegally dispossessed from the rented premises without his consent otherwise than by due process of law, shall dispose of the petition by ordering immediate restoration of possession of such premises to the tenant. The tribunal may also award adequate compensation to the tenant for the hardship and inconvenience caused to him, looking to the facts and circumstances of the case, which shall be payable by landlord and the tribunal, and shall issue a certificate for recovery of immediate possession. That's all. Thank you.